and welcome to a Christmas gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free drink making video. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for a Grinch Hot Chocolate. That of course is going to be gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free. You will be needing the following equipment: some scales, a measuring jug, some measuring spoons, a saucepan, a wooden spoon or spatula, a trivet, a serving ladle and some mugs. You will also be needing the following ingredients: 100 grams of dairy-free white chocolate broken into small pieces. You can double this if you want to be extra decadent, but honestly today I just feel like halving it and having the 100 there. 340 millilitres of milk, I like to use lacto-free milk. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some green food colouring, and some dairy-free whipped cream, but that is totally optional. So, let's go! First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use. So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our hot chocolate. So for this we will be needing our saucepan, our trivet, our wooden spoon or spatula and all of our ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my chocolate to my saucepan, followed by my milk, and my vanilla extract. So now that that is all done, I'm going to turn my hob on and set it to a simmer and keep stirring until everything is fully combined and melted together. You don't want to let this burn, so just keep doing it and keep an eye on it all the time. And once this begins to start melting together, we'll then add in our green food colouring. So now that this lot is all melted together, I am just going to grab my green food colouring, and you're basically going to want to add it until you are happy with the, well, until it reaches your desired colour. Start with that. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So now that this is all done, I'm going to turn my hob off and take my saucepan off of the hob, placing it onto my trivet. So now that this is done, I'm now going to need my mug and my serving ladle. So now I'm simply just going to, one ladle full at a time, add this to my mug. Do it over the top here. So as I said at the beginning, you can now add whipped cream to this. It is completely optional to you. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all. I wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for this lovely hot chocolate, and all the links for the equipment you will need for this recipe. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!